Welcome people, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Lindsey. So today we're going to be doing some press on nails. So press on nails come a long way. It's a new lick. So if you're interested to see how I got these nails, continue watching. I know press on nails, so you're just gonna need the nails, and these are by Xoxo. I got this in like a pharmacy near where I live. Some nail glue, and then I'm also gonna be using some clear polish just for add a little gloss on it. These nails are perfect for people like me in my profession, where you need a little like just on a weekend and then you go back at work Monday morning like nothing never happened. Yeah, these are the nails for that. Alright, so the nails come in this clear case. As I said, I got this from like my local pharmacy, so I said why not, thanks sis. So the nails, it comes with 24 nails in the packaging, so it's good to easy to find your size. A mini nail file and some nail tabs, but I'm not gonna use those. I'm gonna be using a nail glue instead. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start measuring or matching the nail size to my nail bed. So I'm starting with my thumb. Well, the nail, it was kind of thin, but wasn't like thin enough where I was like, okay, this is gonna break pretty easy. It was okay. So I'm starting out with my thumb, just pushing it all the way up to the cuticle, and when I'm done and I find my right size, I just push it off to the side. Moving on to my index finger, measure, push off to the side in the order that I'm gonna place the nails. Now on the inside of each nail, it has numbers, so like number 1, 2, maybe whatever, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I don't know if I count. So like for example, more than likely, if my index finger on my left hand is a number 4, my index finger on my right hand is probably going to be a 4, unless you have something like a abnormality or something different on the other hand. It's chances are they're gonna be the same. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue doing that with all of my fingers. So I'm lining out the nails just to make it a little bit more organized when I'm ready to place them onto my natural nail. So I'm gonna start prepping my natural nails, and no Sam, I look back on my fingernail them and I'm saying I can't believe my walk around on my fingernail them looks so like some I dig through cement. Like, nah, this was not it. Thank God for this little cheap, affordable lifesaver. So I'm just clipping my natural nails because I don't know, I just want them to be a little bit shorter. I like that. I don't know, I just don't want to see like my long natural nail under the nail. Is that weird? Is that a me thing? More than likely it's a me thing. So I mean, I don't know if clipping, you guys know how to clip your nails already. This is not that anything rocket science. So yeah. Then naturally, of course, after you finish clipping your nails, you just file them. So I'm gonna grab this mini. This is so cute. When I saw this, I was like, oh, this cute. This small nail file, and just to file my nails, file the edges down a little bit to make them smooth and prepped and ready for the press-ons. Now I do have a lot of hangnails on my fingernails. Like, I don't know where these hangnails come from, so I'm just gonna take this snipper. Is that what you call that? It's like my nail takes out there. Is that like the official name for this instrument tool, nipper? Well, that's what I call it, and just remove all my hangnails. I know a nail tech out there is gonna be screaming at me for doing this, but I'm just gonna take that end of that nipper and push back my cuticles. I didn't have an orange stick, I didn't have a cuticle pusher, I just bootleg it, and I saw this blunt end and I say, yeah, this look like it can do a thing, and I did that thing and I pushed back my cuticles and it did the job. Alright, disclaimer, do not judge my buffer. This is a well-used, very good buffer, so don't come for me how my buffer looks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and buff my nails, and when I'm buffing, I just buff in one direction. I don't go back and forth. So if I'm starting like moving to the left, I keep that motion consistent, and this just helps to prep the nail, to help the glue and the nails stay on longer, have a rough surface to attach to. So now I'm gonna take some rubbing alcohol and just use that to just rub my nail bed, just to kind of dry it out and remove any excess moisture. This helps the nail to stay on longer. All right, so to me to the matter now, I'm gonna go ahead and take that nail glue, and I'm just gonna apply maybe like a bead of the nail glue onto my natural nail and just kind of spread it. I'm not applying any extra, just a bead, and I just take the tip of the nail glue and spread it to the top, and then I'm gonna apply some more nail glue onto the nail itself and just spread it up about to the length of my natural nail. I mean, that's where it's gonna stick, right? Then I'm just gonna go ahead and press that, like push it a little bit under my cuticle and press and hold it onto my nail for about maybe 20 seconds. So we're done with the first nail. I started with my pinky nail and I'm doing my thumbs last, and that's how it's looking. Not too big, not too small. So let's move on to the rest. So now that we're done, all nails are on, we're getting there. We're turning a hot gal. I'm gonna take the nail file and just gently smooth out the tip of the nails, because I noticed that the nails, they had like a piece hanging off at the tips. I just want to smooth it off a little bit. I'm not sure what that was about, but no big deal. So I mean, if you want, you can leave the nails like this. They came matte, but I kind of did want like a shine. I don't know if I'm really a fan of like matte nails per se, so I just went ahead and got my clear nail polish, just add a little more gloss, a little more shine on it. If you want, you can add rhinestones, you can maybe design it a little more, but for now I just really wanted the simple pink look and just a little gloss. So yeah. Alright, so those are how the nails are looking with the gloss. I added about 3 coats because I feel like the nail kind of like the first coat dissolved a little bit into the nails, so I did about 3 coats. So we're we're getting there. Just hold on a little bit. Just for the finishing touch, I'm gonna go ahead and oil my cuticle. Any oil, cuticle oil should be fine. It's not that serious, just my hands were looking a little bit ashy. Alright guys, and we are done. Nobody couldn't tell me so I didn't spend 2 hours in the nail salon. Like, I had people being fooled out here, okay? Alright guys, so I had these nails on for about 2 weeks. I could have kept them on longer, but I had to get back to reality and go back to work and go back to being plain Jane. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Remember to work with the family over here, and follow me on all socials at __ Lindsey Beth. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Till next time, bye guys.